Magandang araw at welcome po sa ating channel. Ang panunuorin natin ngayong araw na to ay ang 10 scary videos of ghosts caught on camera. Umpisa na natin.
Shireen Louise, a single mother of a 3-year-old daughter, has recently moved into an old Victorian house in Cardiff, England. Soon after moving in, Shireen's daughter, little Ilea, begins to complain about a man with a, quote, bad head and bad eyes, who marches through the upstairs hallway.
What is it?
Bad eyes.
Bad eyes?
Yeah. Bad eyes.
Bad eyes.
Patakot naman to.
Where?
Bad eyes daw.
Eyes.
Upstairs. Nope, no, we're not doing this.
Siguro silang dalawa lang
Take
dito.
a look into the history of the old house and discovers that it was built on an ancient battleground from all the way back in 1485.
So dati palang battleground daw yun, noong unang panahon. Sa England to eh. Yung bahay daw nila dati is dating battleground ng mga knights. So marami namatay. Tuloy natin.
Worried mother now believes that her daughter might be seeing the spirit of a soldier who fought in battle. Shireen installs a security camera in the hallway just to see what's going on. Then one night after dark, this happens.
Oh, may nagsalita. May nagsalita din. Breath daw, para may huminga. Para may huminga.
Yak.
What is it?
Yak.
What?
Yak.
Scared of what?
Natakot na yung bata.
Who is it?
Natakot na yung bata.
No.
Is someone there?
No. Bad eyes. Two eyes. Bad. Two eyes. Bad. Bad.
Hi.
Hinay pa. Nag-high pa eh.
Hey. Is he doing anything? What's he doing? Right, see you later, Mr. Soldier Man.
Sinara na lang niya yung pinto eh.
What? Are you laughing at him?
Nakikita nung bata. Tinatawanan daw siya. O tinatawanan niya. Nagpapatawa siguro yung kaluluwa. Yung ghost.
Is he being funny? Is he being funny?
Nakikipaglaro sa bata. Nakikipaglaro yung ghost sa bata.
That's good, isn't it?
Good dun.
He's still looking at someone. Oh my god, she's... What? No, please don't. No, stop. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry, you just scared Mummy. Sorry, you just scared Mummy. It's not scary. It's not scary. He's a funny friend, isn't he? He's a funny friend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Two eerie breaths can be heard loud enough that they
Narinig mo yun. Narinig niya yung parang gumana. Tapos nakita ng bata, nakikipaglaro pa yung ghost sa bata.
This video was posted to the internet by an account that is devoted to sharing videos of large boats and seafaring vessels.
Okay.
In one video, we see a graveyard of old cruise ships that have been
Lalaki.
run around and left abandoned on a beach somewhere in Turkey. But
Nasa
there's
Turkey.
something else. Something that a sharp-eyed Nukes Top 5 viewer spotted in the video. Watch closely.
Ano meron? So ito mga ship na to, mga abandoned ship, mga lumang ship na to na condemned na. So wala na mga tao doon. Ano yun? Parang may gumalaw doon ah.
Did you see it?
Ayun.
On
Oo
board
nga,
the
oh.
rusting old cruise ship on the right, someone or something can be
Ayun.
seen walking around
May tao nga, ayun.
outside. Even though the ship is completely
May
abandoned,
gumalaw.
no one is on board, and there's not even any access to get on the ship.
O yun, wala daw ang
So
tao
could this
doon.
mysterious figure be the ghost?
Walang taong makakakyat yan, parang kakakyat yan sa gitna ng dagat yan. Unless dumaan ka doon sa makable.
Of someone who survive their voyage? Let me know what you think. The Night Visitor.
Okay, next video na tayo, The Night Visitor.
A woman named Shay works as an overnight office cleaner at a mid-sized company in Indiana. Shay says that she often works alone in the large office building and that this can sometimes get just a little bit creepy. But this one particular night, things are about to get
Cleaner siya sa
absolutely
Galinis.
terrifying.
Graveyard shift siya.
Okay, so 10 I've been work and I was about to take out the trash and I just got a text from hi.
Ano kaya to?
If I'm the only one here, who the f is this?
Nakita niya. May nakita siya siguro.
Like,
Ano yun?
who the f is that? Like, hello?
Ay, may nakaupo.
Yo, I'm not tripping. That's somebody in that room and they just sitting there.
Ay, may nakaupo nga
Who
doon.
the f is that? Like,
Baka namin
they
naiwan.
just sitting there. Bro,
Kaupo.
what the f***ing call? Because I'm like, how the f- and I just call her and say, hey, you sure I'm the only one here? Yo, ain't no
Oh, may
lock on this
naglalakad.
f***ing door.
May naglalakad.
Hey, who's there's no lock on this door.
Wala palang lock yun. Eh, bakit doon ka nagtago?
Like, you know I'm black, right? And I don't play this.
Gunting lang yung gamit niya.
Alright, I'm gonna tough it up and just open the door. Okay.
Oh, nawala na.
Nope. Nope.
Nakabukas na yung pinto tapos wala na yung nakaupo doon. Umalis. Baka na boring.
Nope. Hell nah, cause nope.
Shay is supposed to be all alone in the building, but someone or something seems to be sitting in a chair pressed right up against a glass door at the end of the hall. They're not moving, and they're not reacting. Shay hides in the closet.
So yun yung ginawa niya. Nagtago na siya sa closet at tinawagan niya yung parang manager yata niya. Kasi daw may tao doon, baka mamaya may ibang tao nga naman nakapasok doon, ano. O mga may nag-overtime. Eh wala naman daw. Kinonfirm ng ano niya na boss niya na wala. Siya lang mag-isa dyan sa building na yan. Hey! Next video na tayo.
By News Top 5 viewer Ricardo, he told me about a trip he and his brother took to the historic Fort of San Felipe in Bacalar, Mexico.
So sa Mexico to, Fort of San Felipe. So dati itong ano to, fort. Military installation ng araw.
On the
So maraming namatay dito malamang. Gera-gera nung araw dyan sa kanila sa Mexico, di ba?
trip, Ricardo filmed the video with his old Nokia potato phone, and he and his brother can be seen exploring the massive old 1700s fortress. They
Tagal na pala to.
accidentally catch
1700s pa pala to. Tagal.
something that they just can't explain.
Mira la reparación moderna. Ah, sí.
Anong meron kaya rito?
Espérate,
Ayun!
me mata, güey.
Ayun yun, nakita niyo? May parang gumanon doon sa may baba. Baka yun yun.
Did you see
Yun,
it?
no? Oh,
In a
sabi ko na eh.
dangerous section of the historic fortress that's closed off to tourists, a strange brown figure can be seen on the grass and seemingly climbing or floating right over the wall. Now,
Yun.
I've carefully inspected this clip. I've slowed it down and I've even sharpened and enhanced the potato quality as much as I could. But I still have no idea what this is.
Parang
So,
siyang jellyfish
I leave it
na.
up to you.
Parang siyang jellyfish. Pero ghost na ito siguro din nakuhanan. Kasi pag ganun lang, hindi niya na nahalata siguro. Late niya na nakita ito siguro. May mga ganyang lumang lugar, di ba? Usually naman may mga ganyang mga puno nagpapakita, nagpaparamdam. Next video na tayo.
Video they captured while investigating the Royal Arcade in Keighley, West Yorkshire, England.
Sa
The
England
Royal
to.
Arcade is an historic underground shopping center built in 1901.
So lumang shopping center to, 1901 tinayo. Underground shopping center noong 1901. Lumang-luma na rin to.
The upper floors of the Royal Arcade were eventually renovated. However, the dingy old underground stores and rooms were left untouched. These buildings with their dark history still look almost exactly the same as they did in the early 1900s. Emma says that she and her group were doing a spirit box session in what was once the shop of a horse saddler. In this area, the spirit of a grumpy old man named Billy is said to wander around. What happens next is truly creepy.
Make that bang again.
Oh,
Why do you
Sumagot.
want us to stop?
oh. May dumaan doon sa likod niya.
Emma and her group are shocked to see what looks like a figure moving through a
Ayan.
lens flare caught on their phone.
May
The
dumaan doon.
investigators try to recreate and even debunk what they captured, but they just can't reproduce this strange silhouette of a person moving. So just
Dude.
what is this? I leave it up to you to decide.
Hindi nila ma-recreate. Parang hirap namang gawain yan. Ano mga, yung nagsalita siguro yun. Ayaw makuha na ng camera, nahiya. Kaya umalis. Next video.
Costa Rica, when he spots something truly
Costa Rica to.
chilling.
So ito sa Costa Rica nangyari naman. Parking lot ito. Underground parking lot. Oh,
Gerardo, fíjate detrás tuyo.
no, wala. Wala.
Correcto. Aquí salió algo raro. Mae. Y véngase mejor.
A security camera pointed
Ayun nga, nakita niyo yun, yung parang security guard yata siya sa isang underground na parking lot. Yung kasama niyan, nagmo-monitor ng CCTV, nakita may dumaan sa likod niya na parang shadow habang nag-round siya doon sa may parking lot. Ulitin natin, tingnan niyo.
The mall's parking structure captures the moment a dark, shifty silhouette of a person
Ayan.
can be seen approaching an unsuspecting man. The man turns around as if he hears or feels something.
Ayun, nung pagtalikod niya nawala, buti tumalikod siya. Parang gusto siyang lapitan parang may gustong gawing hindi maganda. Buti nakatalikod siya. Naramdaman siguro daw niya na parang may sumusunod sa kanya. Okay, nakakatakot yan. Next video.
Afternoon, Rachel Navarro is home alone in her New York City apartment. Due to
So, New York to, sa Amerika.
maintenance issues, the power in her building has temporarily been shut off. And this is when things just start to get really weird.
Nasira yung parang kuryente nila, nag-brown out. So, namatayan yung ilaw, yung buong apartment nila.
Okay, hi. Sorry, I'm just watching something, but literally, hold on. There's no electricity in our place right now, okay? Turned it off, but I swear, shite.
Oh.
Okay, this door, Jesus, has been doing this
Parang may gustong pumasok sa pintuan.
all day. And look, the shite. Oh my god. Okay, looking now. Hello?
Oh, hala. Yung sa may peephole, parang may tao nakagalaw tapos umalis. Nag-reflect yung mukha doon sa ilaw Pero parang biglang nawala nung nakita niya may sumisilip sa kanya. Baka naman nakakyat na ano dito. Pero dilim-dilim Walang ilaw Kasi umaga nga lang nangyari to pero yung corridor nito madilim.
Hold on. I'm going out there.
Ayan, ang dilim Walang ilaw, wala silang emergency. Wala silang emergency light doon sa corridor ng kanilang apartment. Ang dilim.
Where's my light? Oh, I turned the flash on
Yeah.
because I couldn't see straight out there. I have my epic mace. I swear. Blood of Jesus. Jesus. Oh my gosh, Jesus. Okay, this door always moves because of the wind. I'm not really worried about that.
Wala namang tao doon.
Hello?
Ano yun? Parang may humihinga. Wala, may bumulong. Takbo na. Pasok na, pasok na, pasok na. Pasok ka na. Takot siya eh.
Rachel's front door is shaking on its own, and when she
Ayan.
looks through the peephole, something can be seen moving around on the other side. She grabs her pepper spray.
So yun ang nangyari doon. Pasok agad siya. Narinig niya parang may huminga o parang umuungol. Ay nako po. Next video.
The video was recorded at a small hotel in the desolate countryside of Mexico. Now for years,
So sa Mexico to. Small hotel daw sa Mexico. Yung mga out of the way na hotel siguro to.
the staff working at the hotel have witnessed and experienced unexplainable activity, usually when they're all alone. One day, a housekeeper notices someone standing at the window of hotel room number 30, even though the room should be vacant and completely empty. The housekeeper immediately notifies the hotel manager, but they find no evidence of anyone inside that empty room.
Okay.
That is, until later that same day.
So ito yung may report nila na may naramdaman daw sila. Same day naman nangyari to. Same day pa rin nangyari.
Cerquita. Aquí más cerquita.
Uy!
Sí, miren, ahí se ve, se alcanza a ver una cara.
May mukha!
Unos ojos.
Ayun oh!
Vamos a ver.
Ayan, may mukha.
Vamos a ver a esa habitación.
Akyatin nila. Inakyat. Bilisan nyo maglakad. Ang bagal naman ito.
Estamos subiendo las escaleras porque desde ahí es donde estábamos viendo que se veía. Aquí ya no se ve nada, a lo mejor por el reflejo de la luz. Y vamos a ver en la habitación. Aquí está la cama.
Umaga nangyari
Esta es
to.
una habitación pequeña.
Wala naman.
Aquí pues no se ve nada. Y aquí está la tele donde estábamos. Donde se supone que se veía, pero no se ve nada.
Oh, dyan yun. Dyan yung pwesto ko na nakita yung mukha. Ayun. Hey!
As the manager approaches the hotel room, a pale face with hollow eyes can be seen peering down at her through the hotel window. The manager hurries upstairs and
Takot siya. Biglang may kumalabog eh. Ang inakabahan ka na, tapos hanggahanap ka ng kung ano, biglang may kumalabog. Tatakbo ka talaga nun. Grabe ito. Okay, next video.
lightning storm just outside Amanda Knowles' house in Iowa.
Iowa, sa Amerika to.
She looks out her front window and notices something truly bizarre.
So umuulan, may thunderstorm sa bahay nila. So pagsilip doon niya sa bintana, ito yung nakita niya, babae.
Please tell me y'all see this. Just watch. Watch straight out into that yard. Look, you see it? Look.
Ayun.
And it happens again. Look. Look. See? Man, I'm telling you right now. Ignore my dogs. But look, man, I think it's time to move.
Ano yun?
A strange white figure can be seen standing
okay.
in the grass across the street from where Amanda lives. But whoever or whatever this is, it appears and then just disappears as the storm rages on.
May parang ilaw, white, na parang puti na nakatayo doon sa may harap, sa may kabilang side ng bahay niya, nung tuwing kumikidlat. Maaari ding ano yun, trick of the light ba? Reflection ba? Kasi may tubig eh. Babasa yung sahig, basa yung daan. O baka reflection doon, ewan natin. O baka reflection ng salamin kasi nasa bintana siya eh. Di ba? Ewan natin. So, o baka maaaring may ano din, meron talagang something doon. Hindi natin alam. Next video.
A Midwest ghost hunter sets out to investigate the allegedly haunted Old Baraboo Inn located in the scenic city of Baraboo, Wisconsin.
So, ghost hunter to. Isa din siyang YouTuber. So, yung content niya is naghahanap siya ng mga lugar na may mga ghost at titingnan niya kung meron siyang makikitang ghost o mararamdaman na ghost doon.
The inn was built in 1864 and functioned as a tavern and a brothel. Over the years, the seedy inn became a regular hangout for many underworld figures like Al Capone and other notorious gangland criminals. Over the years, it is said that many people fell victim to the inn's sinister clientele.
Marami na rin namatay dito.
And even women have lost their lives here. Today,
So, marami na pala namatay dito. Kasi nga parang ito yung, ano ba to? Kill room ng mga gangster nung araw. Hawak ni Al Capone.
The old Baraboo Inn is said to be extremely haunted, especially in the basement where it is said that many men were chained to a pole and executed by the mob.
Ay,
That pole still stands today,
may,
a
doon pa rin.
remnant of the building's horrific past.
Patanggalin na nila yan.
So, investigator Ian decides to spend a night at the inn, planning to investigate
Ang tapang naman ito. Mag-overnight siya doon. Nakatakot. Woo!
all the paranormal claims. It's still early into the night, and Ian is exploring the Baraboo Inn's bar area when things start to get a little spooky.
Are there any spirits
Tinawag pa.
hanging out at this bar tonight?
Nagtawag pa. Siguro ano to?
I heard this place is supposed to be really haunted.
Parang tourist area na lang siguro to. Parang malinis pa
Could
eh.
you show me what they're talking about? The stories of strange things happening? I'd like to see it for myself. Is there anybody here that could do that for me?
Ayun. Ayan, may kumatok na.
That sound came from over there. That scared me.
Eh, tinakausap mo eh.
Hello? If that was you, could you make that sound again?
Pinaulit pa. Pinaulit pa niya. Ayun.
Jeez. Okay, I'm hearing all kinds of weird sounds in here.
Ian continues his
Pinaulit niya pa
investigation
eh.
and heads into the inn's kitchen. But what happens next is truly bizarre.
If there's anyone in here, could you show yourself?
Kitchen.
What the was that? Hello?
Ayun.
Oh, holy shit! Oh my god, something just got thrown. What the hell was that?
Ah, sandok.
Look at that.
May naghagis ng sandok. Nainis na siguro sa kanya. Ingay niya eh.
What the is that? Oh my god, that's like a spoon. It's on the floor. Like, how is that even possible? I don't know. I don't know how to explain any of this. Everything that is happening to me right now is far beyond what I was expecting from this place.
Ian is freaked out as kitchen utensils can be heard moving on their own, and a ladle is thrown onto the floor.
Ang sandok na.
But the worst
Laglag.
is still yet to come, because next Ian heads down into the basement,
Naku,
the
bumaba
most
pa.
actively haunted area of the old Baraboo Inn.
Bumaba pa siya doon sa may area na ano, yun yata yung may pole kung saan tinatali ng mga gangster yung mga biktima nila.
This is the room. Oh god, there
Ayan
it
na
is.
nga, oh.
See that? That is the pole.
Yan. Yan nga mismo yun, yung pole na yan.
The execution pole. If the mobsters took you in this room, you knew you were done for. Just imagine what would be going through those victims' minds as they're being dragged into this room and placed here. And if you look closely here, you can see all the different bullet holes.
Oo.
See that? There's a bullet hole right
Doon
there,
pa yung mga tama ng bala.
right there.
Oh, doon
Right
pa.
there. They're just all over this pole. And those are bloodstains
Ay,
seeping through the paint.
pati dugo. Nandun pa rin yung mga natuyong dugo.
It's super tense in here.
Oh, ayan na.
Sounds like somebody's down here with me. Who's out there? Oh god. Holy shit.
Whew.
I don't know how much more of this I can take. It's coming from this room. Again,
Meron to.
whole room.
Eh.
I can hear you over there. I know you're down here.
Huwag mo na tawagin.
I don't think it's the same spirit at all. Kind of getting that heavy, bad feeling again. If you're one of the mobsters, make another sound. Oh,
Ayan na.
oh God.
Oh.
Jeez. This is the last spirit I want to encounter right now. Could you do it again a little louder?
Ano ulit? Ayan na. Oh, may dumaan na dun.
Oh my God! That was a black mass! Okay, I want to get out of here. I want to get out of here. It's a freaking dead end over here.
Parang
I can't
KK
get
na
out
yun.
this way.
Ian is terrified as he sees a dark shadow-like figure move near the infamous
Oo nga.
execution pole
May
in
dumaan
the
nga,
basement.
bigla.
He's able to calm himself down enough to follow the dark figure, but he finds nothing and no one to explain what he just saw. Soon after this creepy event, Ian decides that he's had about enough.
Takbo siya. Pero yung last na ano na yun, yung parang gumalaw na shadow, hindi naman yata totoo yun. Kasi parang iba yung texture niya, di ba? Sa yung video niya parang medyo malabo tapos biglang malinaw yung shadow na dumaan. So yung huling video na to, parang medyo ano to, medyo parang pineke na. Pero yung iba, ewan ko lang yung iba, pero ito mukhang pineke kasi obvious na parang iba yung texture ng ano eh, yung shadow. Parang mas bago siya, parang pinatong na lang. Anyway, yun ang ating video para ngayong araw na to. And sana sa mga bagong nanonood dito, please subscribe, like, share, and click nyo yung notification bell para ma-notify ka sa ating mga bagong videos. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw. Paalam!